In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable feature workflow in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard area of your account. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to look over to the left-hand side of the screen, because that's where you'll find the main navigation menu for most account and system settings. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This is the section where Gohighlevel keeps many of the account level controls, so if you ever need to update features, permissions, or configuration options, this is usually the right place to begin. After you enter Settings, stay focused on the left-hand panel again and look for Workflow Premium Features. Go ahead and click on that option. This section contains the controls related to premium workflow functionality, including the feature setting that you want to turn off. Once you're on the Workflow Premium Features page, look for the Enable and Disable control. Depending on your screen size or layout, this may appear as a toggle switch. It's a good idea to pause for a second here and confirm that you're looking at the correct feature before making any changes, especially if your account has multiple workflow-related options available. When you find the toggle, switch it off to disable the feature. In most cases, turning the toggle off will immediately update the setting, but it's always smart to visually confirm that the switch now shows the disabled state. If the platform displays a saved confirmation, or if the toggle changes color or position, that's usually your sign that the update has been applied successfully. And that's it. The feature workflow is now disabled in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, if you're managing workflows for a team or for multiple accounts, it can be helpful to double check that you're editing the correct account settings before leaving the page. That can save time and prevent confusion later, especially if someone expects that feature to remain active. If you ever need to turn it back on, you can return to the same workflow, Premium Features section, and use the same toggle to re-enable it. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to disable feature workflow in Gohighlevel.